Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be installing the Oracle flush mounted taillights. Stay tuned. So the main reason I decided to upgrade to the Oracle taillights is for the simple fact of clearance. So when you're off-roading, every little inch matters. We were off-roading this past weekend over at S'more, and the stock taillights, they stick out like 2.5 inches from the edge of the truck. When you're going through tight trails, if you're skating along trees, we came really close several times to just taking out one of my taillights. So these Oracle lights, they're more flush mounted. They stick out maybe 1/2 inch from the truck bed, so it saves you 1.5 to 2 inches of clearance, and they look great, so why not give it a shot? As you can see, I've already installed the passenger side taillight. I'm just going to walk through the same process that I did with that side over on the driver's side. So our very first step in removing these taillights is you want to find the two 8mm screws that are located just on the inside of the truck bed. These are the two screws that are holding this light in place, so we're going to go ahead and remove those. Alright, so after you have those two screws removed, what you're going to want to do is come to the passenger side of the vehicle, or the side of the vehicle, and just kind of lightly tap on the back of the light here, and it should pop right off. So this factory wiring harness that's in here needs to come out or disconnected. It can be kind of a pain in the butt. There's a red tab right here. What we're going to do is flip that down. And then what you're going to want to do, there's a black tab right in front that you're going to want to pinch and then pull. This is the black tab that you want to push down right here. So my Jeep has the factory traffic sensors, which is this portion right here. So I'm going to need to take that out and put it into the new light. And there's 6 screws that are holding that into place. All right, now that those 6 screws are out, we can just pull this right out. So once you have that out, there's a little red tab right here. You're going to pop that up and then put firm pressure on it, and it should pop out. There it goes. So we can set our factory light off to the side. This white piece is the piece that you're going to need right here. So the easiest way to do this is take these 2 side clamps, bend them out, Alright, so that's what you're going to need. So take this piece, get your new light. Back side of your new light, there's 4 screws that hold in this bracket. So take those 4 screws out. Alright, now that the 4 screws are out, we can just pop this off. This is going to sit right in there like that. And go ahead and slide it back on. And then put your screws back in. Like I said, if your vehicle is not equipped with the traffic sensors, you don't have to worry about this part. So there was a diode right here that I've already taken off. If your vehicle is LED equipped, you don't have to use that diode. However, if you have the halogen lights, then you will use that, but we don't need to worry about that. So this one here, which is the smaller of the 2 plugs, we're going to plug into this. And then after that, we can go ahead and reinstall our light. Okay, so once we get our lights all hooked up, what we're going to do is reinstall this wiring harness. And then there's 2 pins here, and they're going to line up with the 2 holes that are here. And just kind of tuck your wires in there as nicely as you can. And then you're going to reinstall your 2 factory screws. There you have it. That's all there is to this install. It's pretty quick, it's pretty easy. If you do have the halogen headlights, like I said, you will use that optional diode that comes with the kit itself. However, we did not need it because we already have the LED package. I think they look great, and they should serve a lot of purpose out on the trail as well. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all of our latest installs and adventures.